my beautiful glam style family. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Araceli, and in this channel you're going to find home decor, DIYs, fashion, beauty, and so much more. In today's video, I am so excited to be sharing with you how I decorated my Valentine's Christmas tree. So if you're interested in seeing how I achieved this look, don't move, stay right there, and let's do this at glam style.
You gotta notice, hey, I'm falling in love, you're feeling something, hey, you cannot control.
So we're going to start with our first DIY, and for that we're going to be using these wooden hearts that you can find at Dollar Tree. And here they are. I went ahead and painted and added glitter to them. Next, we're going to be working on our hooks, and for that I'm going to be using this Valentine's ribbon. This hearts already come with the hook, but I didn't want to use that one, so I went ahead and used this one instead. And this is very simple. All you got to do is a loop, pinch the loop with your fingers, add some hot glue to the back of the heart, then go ahead and add the loop and add some more hot glue to secure in place. And we're going to be doing this to all of the hearts. I didn't record the painting and the adding glitter to the hearts because that is a free choice of the colors that you would like to use in your tree. Next, I'm going to be using this Valentine's ribbon with little pink, red, and white hearts. And I'm going to be making little bows out of it. These bows are very simple. It's like tying a shoelace, and if you get a wonky end, all you gotta do is twist and turn until you get it to how you want it. And don't forget to dovetail the ends. This is going to make it look so much more prettier and professional. And then just go ahead and glue your bow to the heart with some hot glue. Next, I'm going to be using these big gems. I added one to the middle of the bow of the hearts that we just did, but I don't know why my camera didn't record. And I'm also using them to cover up the hole on these pink hearts. Next, I'm cutting up some hearts of this red garland to also glue them to my pink hearts. Sometimes when I'm crafting an idea that I already had in mind, I get more ideas along the way, and this was one of them. Does that happen to you guys, or is it just me? Let me know in the comments. And this is how they would end up looking. That red heart in the middle really brought the whole look together. For the next heart style, I'm adding hot glue all around the rim of the heart, then I'm adding some jewels. Now, I don't remember where these jewels came from. I just found them on my stash and decided to use it for this. But you can find some jewels at your local craft store or Dollar Tree. Okay, now for the fun part. We're gonna start by adding our Christmas lights, and I like to add them really close to each other because I love when the Christmas tree looks super lit up. I'm also just adding them on the front part where you're gonna be able to see them. Next, I'm going to start by adding my mesh. This one I found at the Dollar Tree in the Easter section. I just thought the pink was so pretty to do my Valentine's tree. And I'm following a pattern, as you can see. Very, very simple. It's just a diagonal pattern. And this is very, very simple to hold. All you gotta do is twist the branches to hold the mesh. Next, I'm going to be using the red garland we used earlier, but I'm going to be cutting it in pieces. Next, I'm going to be adding them to my tree wherever I think they will look pretty and pop out more. Next, I'm going to be adding some Christmas ornaments, just red and pink ones, and just very, very little bit. As you can see, I only added about 6 of each color. And I started with the red ones because that is the more dominant color, and it's the color that is going to give it that pop and bring that Valentine vibe that we're looking for. And then I proceeded with the pink ones. Next, I added my red hearts with the bow that we were working on earlier.
Life make me feel so lucky, yeah. It's so great to have
And once I was done with the red hearts, I proceeded to start adding my pink hearts with the red heart in the middle in no particular order. As you can see, I'm standing back just to get a better look at the tree and place the hearts wherever I think they will look pretty and pop out more. And I did the same thing with the rest of the hearts, alternating between red and pink so that the tree looks well balanced with both of the colors. Next, I'm adding these love signs that I got at the Dollar Tree. They came 5 to a pack and they did really bring the whole look together, giving it that extra wow factor my tree needed, making it look so much more romantic and beautiful. And as you can see, I have placed one of the love signs as a tree topper, but I didn't like how it looked, so I decided to use this one instead with this hearts and lips on a stick. So let me know in the comments if you guys thought this was a good idea or you guys like the love sign better. Moving on to the tree skirt. I'm using this red fabric I had as a base. Then on top of it, I'm using this snow that I had from Christmas. And you might ask, well, Araceli, why are you using snow? Well, simply because the tree is flocked and I thought it will pair up well together. Now my husband has this box for the surround system, so I decided to cover it up with this white fluffy fabric because Mr. Bear needed a place to sit. Well, look at that, my glam babes. He's saying hi. Hello, Mr. Bear. Now I'm just gonna sit him on top of his little white fluffy box and just accommodate him wherever he feels and looks comfortable. And Mr. Bear was a Valentine's gift from my husband from 8 years ago. Next, I'm just going to fix up some roses from the Dollar Tree because Mr. Bear can't just be sitting there alone. He needs some roses, right? It's Valentine's. Aw, you see how much more pretty he looks with the roses? A little Valentine's gift because why not? Now I'm using this pack of hearts that I found at the 99-cent store and I'm just getting them around the snow. And this really completed the look of my tree. If you stayed with me to the end of the video, thank you so much for your precious and valuable time. I hope this video inspires you and gives you some ideas on how to recreate your very own Valentine's tree. This was my very first Valentine's tree ever and I had a lot of fun doing this with you guys. And if you like this video, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share it on your social media so that we can keep our glam style family growing. Thank you so much for your time and we'll see you on the next one. Bye!